Hey there, my friend. Welcome back to Learn English with Emma and Jones. I'm your host, Jones. And today, we're going to talk about something powerful. Something that can change the way you learn English. How can you use emotions to remember English words faster and speak more fluently? Sounds interesting, right? Well, here's a secret most learners don't know. Your brain doesn't remember boring things. It remembers things that make you feel something. So today, I'm going to show you how to learn English with emotion. You'll feel the words. You'll connect them with real experiences. And those words? They'll stick in your mind forever. Let's begin. Why emotions boost your English memory? Let me ask you something. Do you remember what you had for lunch last Tuesday? No. Okay. But do you remember the first time someone made you laugh so hard you cried? Or the moment someone made you angry and you can still hear what they said? That's the power of emotion. When something makes you feel happy, excited, nervous, scared, or proud, your brain takes a snapshot. It says, "This is important. I need to remember it." Now imagine using that same power to learn English. Not just words from a textbook, but words connected to your feelings, your life, your stories. That's emotional learning. And it works. Real examples. How feelings stick words in your mind. Let me give you a story. One of my students told me this. Jones, I'll never forget the word excited. I was watching a movie. A character shouted, "I'm so excited." She was jumping up and down, smiling, laughing. I felt her happiness. I felt her energy. That word, excited, got stuck in my brain. I'll never forget it. That's emotional memory. She didn't memorize a dictionary. She experienced the word. So, here's the tip. Watch scenes with strong emotion. Listen to real conversations. Feel the energy in the voice. React with your body and face. Repeat the phrase like you mean it. Let's practice. Shadowing practice. Feel the words. Now it's your turn. I'll say a phrase. You repeat after me. But this time, don't say it like a robot. Say it like you mean it. Use your voice, your face, your body. Let's go. I'm so happy right now. Your turn. Smile as you say it. Ugh, I'm really frustrated. Frown. Say it with feeling. This is amazing. Big smile. Energy up. I don't know what to do. Confused voice. Look uncertain. I'm proud of myself. Say it slowly, warmly. That made me really sad. Softer voice. Feel the moment. You see, these aren't just sentences. They're emotions. And the more you connect English with emotion, the more natural and fluent you become. Visualize and speak with feeling. Let's try a new trick. Close your eyes. I'll describe a scene. Then you'll speak about it in English. Ready? Picture this. You just passed a big English test. You worked hard. Now, you're smiling. You feel proud. You feel free. Now say, I did it. I'm proud of myself. All that hard work paid off. Again. Let the emotion fill your voice. Now, another scene. It's raining. You missed your bus. Your shoes are wet. You're cold. You're annoyed. Now say, what a terrible day. I just want to go home. I'm so tired of this weather. Feel the frustration as you say it. That emotion? It makes your brain pay attention. It helps you remember. Practice real-life, emotional moments. Let's think of some everyday, emotional situations. I'll give the context. You speak the line. Scene 1. You're surprised by good news. Say, wow, really? That's amazing. Scene 2. You're scared of something. Say, oh no, I don't like this. Scene 3. You're laughing with a friend. Say, that's hilarious. Scene 4. You're giving someone advice. Say, don't give up. Keep trying. Scene 5. You're feeling grateful. Say, thank you so much. It means a lot. These are the moments you remember. Now, you're not just learning English, you're living it. Repeat with emotion, not perfection. A lot of learners think they need to be perfect. Medium pause. Wrong. Strong pause. Forget perfection. Medium pause. Focus on emotion. Strong pause. When you repeat a sentence with real feeling, even if it's not perfect, your brain remembers it better. Strong pause. So here's what I want you to do. Medium pause. Every time you learn a new phrase. Strong pause. Say it slowly. Medium pause. Say it with emotion. Medium pause. Say it like you're acting in a movie. Strong pause. Example. Medium pause. New phrase. I can't believe it. Strong pause. Say it in a shocked voice. Medium pause. Say it while acting surprised. Medium pause. Do it 5 times. Strong pause. Then say it tomorrow. Medium pause. And next week. Medium pause. And boom, it's in your brain forever. Strong pause. Daily challenge. Emotional journal in English. Here's your challenge for today. Medium pause. Write or speak an emotional journal in English. Strong pause. for 5 minutes. Talk about strong pause. Something that made you happy today. Medium pause. Something that annoyed you. Medium pause. Something that made you proud. Medium pause. Something that made you laugh. Strong pause. Use simple words. Medium pause. Use short sentences. Medium pause. But speak with feeling. Strong pause. Record yourself. Medium pause. Listen again tomorrow. Medium pause. You'll be amazed how much sticks. Strong pause. If this episode helped you remember English with more emotion, please, strong pause. Like the video, medium pause. Subscribe for more powerful episodes. Medium pause. Comment below. I will learn English with emotion. Medium pause. Share this with one friend who needs this technique. Strong pause. And remember, medium pause. People forget words, but they don't forget feelings. Strong pause. So connect your English to what you feel. Medium pause. Laugh with it. Medium pause. Cry with it. Medium pause. Live with it. Strong pause. That's how fluency grows. Strong pause. Until next time, I'm Jones, and this is Learn English with Emma and Jones. Strong pause. Stay emotional. Medium pause. Stay expressive. Medium pause. And keep speaking English with feeling.